that, and I want that. Morning world, welcome to Saturday 4th of March. Few things to get sorted out today. One, Mrs. P is coming home for the day, but she's not going to be here till 11:30 midday because she's gone off with my second daughter Emma to get their nails done, so I've got a bit of time. I need to get those two little calves out of those pens, mainly because we've had another calf born next door. She was born at about 5 o'clock this morning. I've already been down and iodined her navel. She's out there. Mum's quite happy out there talking to her, so I've got no concerns about that for a minute, but I do need the pen. So, but before I let those guys out, I need to tag the calves to get them registered. And then I need to let everybody out in the field. But I don't want to do that until I've done the slitting at the bottom. I haven't quite finished that, so I've got another hour to do down there. So yeah, so there's a bit of a mishmash. Gonna tag some calves, finish some slitting, let the cattle out, let these two calves out, bring new mum and new calf in after I've mucked out pen, all before the wife gets here. Easy. Go and do this thing. There you go. Go on, I need the space. So this cow in here, the black one, no trouble at all. I can handle her calf and do whatever I want. She's not bothered in the slightest. But the redhead, she's a bit more moody. Yes, she's beautiful, isn't she? Yes, she is. But we need to hang on to her. She gonna behave? All right, darling. Okay. That's one. Calf's on the wrong side of her, really. Right, you need to go in, and you need to go out. That's right. Now I can deal with Tiddler safely. You're beautiful too, aren't you? There you go. Right, that's that done. We'll write down some numbers and then we're sorted. All done, all put back together. So 300326 is the mum of 600197, a little girl. And then 200158 is the mum of, let me show you, this is 500196, also another little girl. So, and it's a little girl that's been born next door. So that's 3 heifers from our heifers. So, okay. So that's part 1 of the job ticked off and done. Part 2 on the tractor. Part 3 back with the cattle. Where did I put them? There they are. Actually, if I put the pen in my pocket, I'll just lose it. Shall we? And yes, you may have spotted it. I've got the drone out. this is where it gets clever. I've got to try and fly this and drive the tractor and not hit anything at the same time.
Green, the color of true elation. Pine on a summer's day. See, I've been waiting for you, waiting for you. Green, the color of true elation. Pine on a summer's day. See, I've been waiting for you, waiting for you. I'm a winner, I'm no saint, I'm a sinner and away. Keep my secrets, clean my slate. Now you're saying it's all fake. Paint a picture, fit the shape. Masterpiece while you complain. Was a puppet, now I'm vain. Paint a picture, change my Scream, the power of celebration. Make way for a generation that's been waiting for you, waiting for you. Now it's all so green. Now it's all so green. Now it's all so Now it's all green, all green. Now it's all green, all green. Now it's all green, all green. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, waiting for you. Green, the color of true elation. Pine on a summer's day. See, I've been waiting for you, waiting for you. Green, the color of true elation. Pine on a summer's day. See, I've been waiting for you, waiting for you. I'm a winner, I'm no saint, I'm a sinner and away. Keep my secrets, clean my slate. Now you're saying it's all fake. Paint a picture, fit the shape. Masterpiece while you
I said I'd do a bit of drone footage of the slitter. Shame about the light, it's not great light for doing this, but do you know what? It is what it is. It's not raining or snowing. So I'll take this. Right, so I did notice in some of the drone footage I've got a kink in my line up there because I was flying the drone rather than looking where I was going. So now I'm going to have to try and straighten that kink out because I'll be able to see it from the house and it will annoy me. Oh my god, it's like a wave. It's like, oi. Yeah, that's more like Elvis's quiff, that is. Fix a point. Right. Back in the barn, that is the Bottom Avenue field completed, all done. I think we'll have a quick cup of coffee and then we'll come down and sort these cattle out. Just tuck you away. Sorted.
Green